Are you a drummer who is tired of expensive drums and wants a portable digital drum with samplers that have some amazing features? Introducing the nPad. nPad is a product of dbdrums. That is an Argentinian company that has been manufacturing electronic drums since 1998 and growing up year by year. nPad is a pad percussion and simple triggering instrument which has a USB slot and a 5-pin MIDI in and out. It is an all-in-one percussion instrument that knows no bound. This amazing product comes with 9 isolated and responsive pads. Not only this, it comes with more than 600 professionally recorded in-demand sounds to get you going out of the box. Adding pads and pedals can transform your nPad from a percussion powerhouse into a full-blown electronic drum kit. It is a new technology with the same use and capabilities of the most expensive and sophisticated equipment available out there in the market at a much lower price. The nPad comes with a bundle of amazing features in likes of 4 triggers inputs single zone, 2 trigger dual zone, 2 foot switch inputs, 1 USB, pen drive, and MIDI in and out, aux in, 620 sounds incorporated, drums, and a built-in percussion sound. And not only this, it provides you threshold, velocity curve, volume, effects, layer point, loop MIDI, and a USB slot allows you to load an endless amount of your custom sounds and samplers. So, what are you waiting for?
Hola, soy Julián, fundador de dbdrums. Quiero presentarles el nPad que va a revolucionar el mercado de baterías electrónicas. Por eso, quiero pedirles que nos apoyen en este proyecto. Gracias.
Order your nPad now. dbdrums.